Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. And guys, we're standing on board a completely new Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. Guys, this is a 2026 we have here, and shamelessly, we love Dauntlesses. All over Florida, but particularly on the West Coast, this boat does it so well for everything we've got to do, but this one is a little unique. At the back, we have a 425 horse V10. You don't see that on Whaler very often. That is some serious power for this size. Factory installed power pole, we love, we use all the time. When they rebuilt this entire boat, they put these outside seats into the deck, so it's a very secure place to walk, to fish, to do all of that, and yet you get phenomenal seating with a live well in the middle. Here at the helm, super nice deluxe helm chair. Guys, bolsters, armrests, it's going to make everyone feel very comfortable. Multiple levels of footrest, and the dash is a great place to be spending time. 12-inch from Simrad, JL Audio, Simrad VHF, trim tabs, inductive charging. Guys, this is a really wonderful place, and this boat has the chops to run across the water for a full family, make it very comfortable. When you get where you're going, which is often the sandbar, the biggest update interior-wise seating from the old boats was this. This huge garage is an incredible lounger, full length, even if you're above 6 feet, and inside is deep enough to hold two 5-gallon pails stacked on top of each other, tons of rod storage into the head, and they didn't lose anything on the front of this boat. Of course, these cushions all pop up, 4 total, give you a great casting platform, let's say, but you still have these loungers here that pop up and stay, so you can fit 2 more at the sandbar, whatever you want. There's a insulated fish box here, and just because of its name doesn't mean it doesn't make a phenomenal cooler. This boat is pre-rigged from the factory for a trolling motor. Guys, these Dauntlesses do it all, and they do it all really well. And we have a beautiful, unique Abaco blue one here at MarineMax in Sarasota with that big 425. I'm Jeremiah. Call me. Anyone on my team will take awesome care of you and get you on one of the best South Florida boats you can find. See you soon.